Hello YouTube, this is Trish back at Creativemind Creations, and today I'm going to be introducing you to my new group on Facebook, Crafting Manipulators, and I'm also going to be showing you a collaboration of sorts that I am in with the other ladies that I actually joined me on my new adventure on my new Facebook group to make something that we are calling our Christmas craft fair gift set. Okay, so the other ladies that I asked to join me are C. Alfred over at C's Creations here on YouTube, Miss Doll's Creations, who is Lasagna Burger, Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and Tiffany McGill at Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill, also here on YouTube. And we are all from her group, Tiffany's group, Coffee Can Crafting on Facebook. But anyway, I am so excited. We're all so excited about the new group. It's grand opening today. We've already got new members that we've already let into the group, but today is our actual first activity of the group and the grand opening, and we are doing the collaboration where we're going to be doing again Christmas craft fair gift set. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did. And this is mine. I actually had to make this real quick because I made another one and I'll show you that one next. And because it was Christmas and I wasn't thinking, so I had to make it again. I lit with my video and everything because we had a certain time we're going to be doing this. But anyway, so I had to make another one. So I did one in Christmas theme, which was Christmas craft fair. And this is my little gift box that my items are in. I made the box and I will be doing a video on how I made it. I just used this paper. It's from Let Collections from Michaels, and it's a few years old. I had this for a minute, but it's still cute. So I used that paper, and I also used some little cutouts. I don't know where those can't remember where I got those from. I think I probably got those from Michaels as well. But this is one of the ones that I put on the pop dot, so it's like a little dimensional. And so when you open the box up, I used again the paper from the collection, and I covered a planner, a 2019 planner, and it has contacts in it and 2020 reference calendar and notes in the back. So I covered that. Now I put this kind of paper on here because just in case you want to carry around year round, because it is a planner, you don't have to worry about it being Christmas themed. So that's why I used the polka dots. This is still from the collection, but I just didn't use, was Christmas. So that's that. Same way with this one. This is a little sticky notepad. I put a little lexicon on the back so you can close it. It's a little green sticky notepad in there. And I put some silver elastic on there to keep that closed. And I also covered a little notebook, a little composition notebook that I did one hand use Christmas thing on there, and I put a little snowflake on there. So that is that. And I also covered a pen on some washi tape. It works. I might do another pen. It's going to be a pen in here, but I might change it. But yeah, that's my Christmas pen that I covered washi. That's in there. And that is my first one that I'm going to show you. Not the first one that I made, but the first one I showed you because, again, I messed up and I was so excited that I wasn't thinking Christmas theme. And so I had to come back and make this one. So the second one that I made, which is actually the first one I made, where did glitter come from, is my emoji gift box set. And it's basically the same thing, just like the other one. This is paper that is from Walmart though. It's color book, I think. And I got, it's 8.5 by 11 stack. I need to find some more because I love this paper. I made something else out of it and I'm running out of it. So this is my second time using it. But anyway, in this one is again another little planner. Same planner as the other one. 2019. A sticky notepad. Now I forgot on this one to put a little closure on it before I put in my little notepad and the line in the middle. So I just put a big yellow band on there. And that is that one. Little sticky notepad. And another notebook that I covered. And I actually found these pens, I think, at Dollar General. They was in a 4 pack. So I put an emoji pen in there. So that is my collaboration for entry collaboration I can't talk. It's early. Entry for my collaboration with the other ladies. Okay, now the grand prize. There is a grand prize with this. You have to like all of the videos, the other videos that we're doing this collaboration in. You have to be a member of the group, and you also have to like our grand opening video, which I'll be posting all of that, all the links to those YouTube channels or videos in the description box below. And now with my giveaway, you can either pick the winner will be either, or will get to pick either the Christmas one or the emoji one. Okay. So and the thing is that all of the collaboration gift sets that we put together for this, we will get one lucky winner, and all three of us will send our collaboration craft fair gift set to the winner. Okay, so again, the winner of my creations here will get to pick either which one, the Christmas one or the emoji one. All right, guys. So again, thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you also come by and check us out at our new Crafty Manipulators Facebook group. We are so excited there. We're going to be having other giveaways and swaps and challenges and collaborations and all kinds of stuff. We just got all these new ideas coming out of our ears, so we are so excited, and I hope to see you there. Happy crafting. Bye.